today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Premise app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here, and you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Premise app, or just click on search, then here, so you add here a Premise app, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, you just click here on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.